Hi, I'm Dean Sawyer, the co-founder and CEO of Sentrian, and I'm going to demo two of the three user interfaces or components of our remote patient intelligence platform. The first is a disease modeling tool that enables clinicians to rapidly build, deploy, and edit very advanced rules that define patient deterioration based on the streams of data emanating from the remote patient monitoring devices and sensors. And as you can see, disease models can be created for patients with a single chronic condition or for patients with multiple chronic conditions, in this case, CHF and COPD. Now to edit or view the rules in a particular model, you would just click here. And instead of setting just binary crossing the line rules for every patient, Sentrian allows clinicians to create a number of different rules that define deterioration, and they can assign those rules to a specific risk level, in this case a medium risk or a high risk. Some of the rules that can be created are rules that look for short-term changes against a patient's baseline, long-term changes against a patient's baseline, and you can even create rules based on the interaction between different streams of data. In this case, blood pressure and weight trending up together. Also, clinicians can use natural language to build these rules without the need of programmers and data scientists. However, I'll have to save that for another time. In addition, as soon as Sentrian has collected a few months of data for each cohort of patients, we use machine learning to optimize those rules and look for patterns in the biometric data streams that are associated with an event, such as a hospitalization. This continuous improvement in the rules enables Sentrian to continuously improve the detection of the biometric data streams associated with health deterioration and hospitalizations, and to continuously reduce false alarms. Now I want to show you the landing page that case managers use to manage these patients remotely. This is the landing page care managers use to manage patients. As you can see, care managers can see the risk level of the patient in the rule or the changes in the patient's biometric device data that triggered the change in their risk level and led to the notification of the care manager. You can also see if this was a new alert, the time that it came in, the disease model associated with it, and other information. Now, care managers can click here to see a more detailed view. And on this screen, you'll see some basic demographic information about the patient, different timelines, and in this area, you'll see the risk level of that event. In this case, it was a high risk level, the current status of that patient, which is a high in this case, and the event status, whether this is in progress or whether it has been resolved by the care manager. You will also notice that although we may be collecting a dozen data streams, the software only shows the stream of data associated with the change in the patient's risk state. In this case, it was a change in their thoracic fluid based on their 4-week baseline. However, if you are interested, you could, of course, see and open up all the other streams of data. Now, to resolve event, care manager can click here. And this is where they can enter some notes, such as called the patient and changed their medication. I can then save that note, and I can designate how this was resolved. So for example, in this case, I could say that we made a medication adjustment. This is important because the machine learning engine uses the actions that the care managers take and claims data to continuously improve the specificity and sensitivity of the rules. Thank you